Let's make product manipulation. Change the background color to purple. Make a shape with light purple and adjust it. Make another shape with white and adjust it. Apply glow effect on white shape and shadow on purple shape. Make a 2 copy of both shapes and adjust it. Make a group of all shapes and make copy to the other side and adjust it. Take pen and make shape with black and apply blur with low opacity to make shadow. Do the same process with all sides of shapes. Make a copy of both side shapes and drag it down. Make its opacity low to give shadow effect. Now bring product in PNG and adjust it. Make copy of product, place it vertically, apply mask, and make low opacity. Take new layer brush with black to give shadow effect. Thank you for watching.